Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Mahfuddin. So for the second project, it is the Medipoly IoT in automated healthcare translation system for the GCP edition. Okay, next we can see the important statement of this project. In diverse hospital environment, the language barrier can compromise patient safety. So the patient who do not speak the local language are often to struggle and to understand the participation and discuss summary. Manual translation is slow and unavailable during emergencies, leading to the medication error and poor health outcome. So the purpose of this project is to develop a fully serverless, event-driven solution on Google Cloud Platform (GCP) that automatically translates medical text file immediately upon uploaded. This to ensure to critical health information is accessible in the patient native language instantly, surely, and without managing physical server. So for the architecture design, as we can see here in the diagram, the the workflow is designed to be fully automated, initiating the solely based on user interaction without the need for constant server management. The process begins on the left side of the diagram, where the doctor upload a medical document such as a prescription of discharge summary to a secure cloud storage bucket. This bucket serves as the ingestion point of the system. Usually, the architecture utilizes an event trigger mechanism instead of server continually checking for the new file. Other than that, cloud storage actively sends a signal to the compute service to the exact moment a file uploaded is finalized. So at the center, as we can see, the architecture lies the Cloud Run function, which acts as the system processor of the or we call the brain. This function is ephemeral, meaning it remains dormant and incurs zero cost until it triggered by the upload event. Once activated, when the system active, the function executes Python code to retrieve the file content and initiate a synchronized API call to the Cloud Translation API. Following the translation, the data flow moves to the right side to the diagram. The Cloud Run function packages the original text, the translate result, and relevant metadata into a structured JSON document and save it to the Google File Store. And lastly, the architecture design offers significant advantage in terms of scalability and cost efficiency. Next, we go to the storage security configuration, as we can see here. To comply with the data protection standard, the cloud storage bucket was hardened against unauthorized access. We explicitly enable and force public access prevention at all the bucket levels to ensure that no access control list SCL could accidentally expose patient files to the internet. Additionally, we verify that the Google managed encryption keys were active, encrypting all the data at rest before it is returned to the disk. Next, we can see the database scanning strategy. The database layer was designed for the high availability and automatic scaling. We initialize Firestore in native mode within the uncentral region. This may this mode allow the database to automatically handle sharing and replication, meaning it can support a sudden influx of thousands of patient records without manual intervention or downtime. This serverless database approach significantly reduces the operational overhead for hospital IT staff. Next, for compute and access control, as we can see in the diagram, the integration between storage and compute was achieved through the specific event trigger. We configure that the cloud run function to listen for the trigger, storage, object, V1 finalize, and the event type. This to ensure that the function is invoked only when a file upload is successfully complete. This event-driven pattern decouples the upload process from the processing logic, allowing the doctor or the staff to upload the file rapidly without waiting for the translation to finish. Next, we go to the system integration and automation. The application logic was implemented in Python 3.1. The code integrated the Google Cloud Translate library to communicate with the AI service and the Google Cloud for Store library to persist the plot. We use a, we use a strict requirement TXT file to manage dependency, ensuring the execution environment remains consistent and reproducible across different deployments. So this the AI integration that I use for the Google Cloud is Google Translation API. So the flow is first the button function extract text from the uploaded file. Second, it send the request file to the API endpoint with the parameter target language ES, which I use Spanish in this project. And lastly, the API return a JSON object containing the translated string and detected all the source language. For the conclusion, the Poly IoT project on Google Cloud Platform validate the effectiveness of serverless cloud architecture in healthcare by abstracting cloud run function, cloud storage, and cloud translation API. We successfully built a system that eliminates manual translation bottleneck. The architecture is inherently scalable, capable of handling one request or 1 million records without configuration changes, and cost efficient, as costs are incurred only when the humans are actively processed. So I think that's all for me for the project number 2. Thank you.